Okay, hold up. There you go. The air is crisp. There's nothing better to enjoy than the outdoors in winter. If you're looking for excitement, winter sports are perfect for you. The rocket just went off. Make sure... Wait, what? What in the hell? The sport? Anything outside? Nothing's outside. But yeah, it looks like it's just new update. Sports? Wii Sports? You're talking about Wii Sports? I guess we just check shop. Wii Sports. Winter, what? What? Hockey! Oh my god, what is this? A laser blaster! Oh my god, what is this? Bro, what is this stuff? What in the... It is a one-off update. Polar bear... long nose. What in the... There's a free... I don't know. What's the free item? Is the paw? The paw's the free item. What is going on, dude? What? Excuse me? Are you speaking English? A dog? Yo, what? What is this? A Hot Pocket? Hot Pocket, yum. It's a Hot Pocket. It's another teddy bear, but it's a polar bear. Yo, dude. They flop. It's Penguin Paradise. What? Rawr. Rawr. Remember that update? Rawr. We have the paw? That's crazy. Anyway. Whoa, dude. Whoa. Hold up. This is crazy. What's this? Oh my god. That's crazy. Hold up. Wait. This is sensory overload. Let's see what this one, bro. Whenever you open it, it blasts out snowflakes. Pow! That is epic. That's actually really cool. First, we gotta buy this. The paw, the free item. Whoa, dude. This update was unexpected. I did not expect this update. What do gorillas wear in the winter? A burrow.
That's really funny.
If this shoots lasers, 10 out of 10 update. It's a snowflake gun. 10 out of 10 update, 10 out of 10, this is the best update in the whole freaking game. Bro, look at this. This is an actual gun. Bro, this is better than the bubble blaster. It looks like an actual gun. Give me... And it makes an actual sound effect. Look at this. These are bullets. You're going to die if you get shot by this. How much is it? 5,000. That makes sense. If you get... Oh, we still need to get this. There's a hockey puck, by the way. Just wanted to make sure everyone knew, hockey pucks are in the game. Well, let's check out these costs. Bro, sports? What? It's a sports update? What kind of Wii Sports type crap is this? Bro, look at me. Here I go. Boom. It's like football. Come over here. But like I said, the best thing in the update is a gun. Listen, that's all I wanted in Gorilla Tag. It's just a gun. That's all I wanted. And now it's here. Finally, it's here. The gun. Oh my god, this is actually epic, dude. Like, all of this is really cool. I can't get the blaster, but the blaster is one of the things I want most. That's a Hot Pocket. Hold up. What is this? If that's a Hot Pocket, a hot snack. That's just Hot Pocket. Hot Pocket, yum. Yo, dude, you want a Hot Pocket, bro? Dude, you... where's my Hot Pockets? Where's my Hot Pockets? Dude, do you understand what you could do with this? You could, like, get, like, one team with this on and one team with this on, and you could just battle it out. First of all, that... Hold up. Oh, man. Dude, wait, look! They added torches! Hold up. Okay, this gives me another idea. Listen, this is gonna be like an underground map. Like a freaking kingdom, isn't it? These torches were never here before. And they look so high quality. Bro, these torches were never there. No. It's a freaking like a kingdom, bro. We already got the ice castle, dude, from Fortnite. We don't need another kingdom. By the way, oh yeah, I'm still recording on that. What in the... Bro, this update is crazy. If they added like a new game mode, that would be cool. If there's like a puck or something, that would be epic. But hold up, this update was unexpected. I did not expect this update to come out. Sports? No. Oh, I did not realize this at first. That the snow or the ice. The ice, it grew. The ice literally grew. Dude, it's no longer just over there. It's literally here. This is literally... Bro, what is going on? I thought it shrank last update, but it didn't. It just grew. Despicable Me. Anyway. It just grew. Oh my god, what in the... What the... This... Whoa, okay. I have a prediction. Yeah, this is like the flood. It's gonna be covered in ice, man. I believe it's 100%. 100%, bro. I believe it's gonna happen. This update was really good. They fixed the fire. Thank you. The fire in like the canyons wall. We haven't even checked canyons yet, bro. Yeah, it's nothing really different, but they fixed the canyons wall, right? They fixed it. Finally, dude. Bro, that was like the biggest critique I've had. Is like, the canyons wall was just, it just looked bad. And they fixed it, dude. They fixed everything. Oh my god, thank you. This is actually really good. First of all, I did not, out of anything, expect freaking sports. Winter sports are perfect. And also with that joke on the freaking board, the thing, bro, that is a 10 out of 10 joke. That made me laugh my socks off, dude. That made me like jump for joy a little bit. Yippee! That made me jump. It was so good. Anyway, that was this update. This was actually really good. I can definitely see mini games with this. Hopefully, hold up. Let me check every single map. Because every update, I forget to just check something, and that's the map. And if I do miss something, just tell me in the comments if they're enabled. We forgot to check. But yeah, like I said, it's crazy, man. Like, this update is one of the best updates we've had in a while. Like, they added a gun. I think that's something to note here. I was wondering where the update was today, but whoo, this was better. I'm glad they didn't just move on to another something or something, because that would have been a little bit sad. I mean, like, it is still winter. By the way, winter sale. You could have at least put like winter sale too. Also, they did put different variety. Yo, dude, look at the teddy bear. What if you had... Dude, the teddy, bro. Hold up, the teddy bear, it's like, it's brother, bro. Look at him. Whoa, what's up, brother? Yo, what's up? Am I doing a handshake? Bro. Why would you buy the slingshot? Buy the gun. Buy the gun. Listen, if you have money, buy the gun. The puppy, it's cute. Yes, sure. I mean, like, this, it's cool. I mean, like, that, it's cool. But, like, you know, I mean, that's cool. Oh, that's actually cool. But, like, the Hot Pocket is pretty cool. But just get the gun. Just, listen. Let's do a comparison, right? I always do, like, a comparison in these videos. Let's get the bubble gun. The bubble gun. Right here. Yep, bubble gun. This is the bubble gun. You know what it does? Yes. It's
A sofa, B, an expensive haircut, or C,
it shoots bubbles. It's C. It shoots bubbles. It's literally not that hard to figure out. Here's the thing with the bubbles, right? They stick in the air. That isn't a problem, but let's compare it to this gun. Sure, they stick in the air, but look at this. You see that? This is cool because you can flap your wings. I love the little feet. Hey, God. Wait. No, don't get this. Hold up. Don't get this. Because look. You officially have toes now. If you get this, you now have toes. So people can go up to you and like, hey, yo, can I lick those toes? Do not let that happen, bro. And that's when you gotta pull out. Hot Pocket, yum. Not sponsored by Hot Pocket. Like, dude, this Hot Pocket is just top tier. Like the Hot Pocket. What was that noise? Oh, jeez. Oh, okay. Listen, hold on. I like how that's 0 and that's 99. That's pretty cool. Anyway. That's bro or bro, and that's or no, that's just bro. This is bro, and this is bro. That's cool. So that's C and that's A. Hold up, which one? They're both the same price. Anyway. Yeah, that was this update. Like I said, it was really cool. It was epic. I didn't expect this. When they said there were new cosmetics, I didn't expect this. I don't think anyone expected this. Anyway, thank you for joining me in today for this epic video. And if you're trying to maybe like and maybe subscribe, it would help me out. And I know I'm not getting revenue for this. But yeah, it would help me out a little bit. So yeah, this is this is Casey Face VR. Wait. Did we even check? Hold up. You're just like walking and you see that out of the corner of your eye, you're gonna think that's like a monkey. You're gonna be like, oh! You know, it would be scary. But anyway, yeah, that was this update. I've said that phrase like a million times this episode. But listen, I'm sorry. Rock. These you can be like a freaking monster. Look at this. Your claw. The only problem I have is their nose. But the claws are epic. Wait, hold up. In the Gorilla Tag lore, did we skinned a bear? We skinned a bear. Like, this is skinned. We skinned a penguin. We skinned a penguin. We killed a snowman. Bye.